So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to adjust your TradingView chart. So the first thing you want to do is to go back to your layout once you're logged in. So it's going to look something like this. So you can expand on certain stuff, your chart. So let's use something like this. And on there you can see the chart right now. So you can click on full chart. And from there, you can even see some changes have even taken effect right now. If you want to adjust your chart, you can use it through here. So you can see scales and lines. You can see some different options that can be right there. So if you click on always visible, you can also click always invisible, and you can click on OK, and they shouldn't be visible anymore. So this is some adjustments that you can create. So you can do a lot of different things like the plus button, countdown. You can do stuff for your canvas, your trading as well. Then for your status line and your symbols as well. So you can change up the colors. You can change up your chart through those scales and lines, lock price to bar ratios, scales placement. You can change it through the stacking on the left or the right. And these are some of the changes that are applicable to your TradingView chart. So you can do it a lot. You can do a lot of different stuff through there. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on TradingView or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.